Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to perform X-square test which is chi-square. So here is the best example that will make you guys understand that how this test is used. A poker dealing machine is supposed to deal cards at random as if from an infinite deck. In the test, you counted 1200 cards and observed the following number of cards in each of the four suits. Hearts are 321, spades 294, diamonds 282, and clubs 303. So the question is, could it be that the suits are equally likely, or are these discrepancies too much to be random?
So here's the solution. In the step 1, we have to set the hypothesis null and its alternative. So the hypothesis null is proportion of hearts is equal to proportion of spades is equal to the proportion of diamonds is equal to the proportion of clubs. And the alternative of this is all are not equal. As in the question, the significance level is not given, so we assume that it is 5% or 0.05 in step 2. So in the step 3 we will find the chi-square. So the observed frequency is given, and for the expected frequency it is 300 for each of the suit, as we took the hypothesis null equal. Next we have to find the difference of observed frequency and the expected frequency. So then we have to square that numbers. So here are the numbers given, and then we have to divide all of those by 300, as the expected frequency of all of those is 300, and in the end we get chi-square is equal to 2.7. And then we have to find the degree of freedom for the critical value, that is number of columns minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So for the critical value we have to go here, as we have to go for the critical values of chi-square, and as we have 3, our degree of freedom is 3. For the 5% we get 7.815, so our critical value is 7.815. So for the step 4, we have to set the decision rule. That is, like, if chi-square is greater than the critical value, we will reject the null hypothesis. So in the step 5, we finally come to the result, like as the x-square, that is chi-square, is 2.7, which is less than the critical value, that is 7.815. Therefore we fail to reject the null hypothesis. So like in the diagram we can show that the rejection region is after the 7.815, but our chi-square lies outskirts of that is 2.7. So we fail to reject the null. So finally we come to the conclusion, as we fail to reject the null hypothesis, so we have to accept the null, that is, suits are equally likely.
From this video, now you guys should know how to perform a chi-square test. And thank you for watching this video.